Hello everyone, in this video we will go through formula making. What is a chemical formula? The symbolic representation of any compound is a chemical formula, and how these chemical formulas are made. In this video we will discuss over that. Here we have two compounds NaCl, that is sodium chloride, and the other one AlCl3, that is aluminium chloride. So in our previous video we read about valency. What is a valency and how do we find a valency? For that we should be knowing about electronic configuration, that is filling of cells like K, L, M and N. Different number of cells are filled in different cells or orbitals. As I told you, these orbitals are known as path on which an electron revolves. So very first we will go through the formula making of NaCl, that is sodium chloride. So very first you write here, element, symbol, atomic number, and then go for K, L, M, N. If you know these all things, you can find the valency. And valency is used while chemical formulas are made. So for NaCl, element is sodium, symbol Na, atomic number 11. We go for KLMN, that is 2, 6, 10, 14. These are the electron filling capacity of the cells. But if we read the formula 2n square, which implies that for shell K, 2n square, n is the number of orbital, K is in first orbital. So 1 square, 1, 2 into 1, so 2. For L, 2n square, that is 2 square, 4, 4 into 2, 8. M, 2n square, that is 2 into 3 square, 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18. These are the electron filling capacity of the orbitals. For N, 2n square, that is 2 into 4 square, 4 square 16, 4 and 16 to the 32. So like this you will go on filling the electrons, and we have learned till 1 to 20, that is hydrogen to calcium. Okay, now we work here KLMN, that is electronic configuration. The number of electrons here are 11, and you have to fill in these orbitals. The number of electrons here are 11, and these you have to fill in these orbitals. In K, how many will get? 2. Now how many remaining? 9 are remaining. In L, 8. So 2 plus 8, that is 10 electrons are filled. Only now 1 remaining. So 1 will go in M. As I told you, it cannot take 7 electrons because this is a large, big number. So it will go for giving off, it will give off 1 electron. And when element gives any electron, it gets positive charge. So two, 8, 1, and we got the valency Na plus 1. Now the second element is chlorine, symbol Cl, atomic number 17. Then we go for KLMN, that is in K, 2. The maximum number of electrons can be filled here is 8. 2, 8. Now we will go in M. How many filled here? 10 electrons we have filled. How many we have to fill? 17. Now 7 remaining. So 7 will go in M. 2, 8, 7. Now you see in the outermost cell, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 electrons. So what should we do? We should give off 7 or we should take 1. If we take 1, that's a better deal. So when any element takes any electron, it gets minus charge. So the valency of chlorine is -1. Now we know the valency of sodium, that is +1. Valency of chlorine, that is -1. Now we can make the formula. Sodium, chlorine. Symbol of sodium, that is Na +1. Chlorine, Cl -1. The valency gets exchanged. When we make chemical formulas, the valencies are exchanged. So here is 1. So we can simply write it NaCl. No need to mention here 1. Suppose here it was +2 and here -2. So they will get cancelled. It will be same NaCl. We will take similar examples regarding this also. So this is how the sodium chloride NaCl formula got formed. For that you should be knowing valency, and for finding valency you should be knowing electronic configuration, that is K, L, M and N. If you have any doubts or you don't understood that, you can write in comment box and I can explain it again or take any another example for explaining. Now we will go for the second compound. Our second compound is AlCl3. That is aluminium chloride. How this formula got formed, we will work on it. First of all, element, then symbol, then atomic number, and then electronic configuration, that is K, L, M and N. So here first element is aluminium. Symbol is Al. Atomic number 13. Means we have to fill 13 electrons in K, L, M, N. We take a somewhat detailed study in this. Suppose this is K, L and M. Now you see in K how many? 2 can be filled. 2 we filled here. In L, this is K, this is L and this is M. In L how many we can fill? 8. The maximum number of electrons, you have to keep in your mind that you have to fill maximum 8 electrons in the outermost shell or any shell to make it stable. So in K we fill 2. How many remaining here? 11. In L how many can be filled? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So L is stable. We fill 10 electrons. Now how much remaining? 3 are remaining. 3 will go in orbital M. That is 1, 2, 3. Now you tell what is the better deal. We have to make it stable. So we need 5 more electrons. If you take 5 more electrons, the valency will be -5. But if you give off 3 electrons, then the valency will be +3. So what should we do? We should take 5 or we should give off 3. We should give off 3 electrons. So as per the valency will be Al +3. Al +3. So now we have the valency of aluminium. And what's that? Al +3. +3 because it is giving off 3 electrons. Al +3. Next, what is that? Chlorine. Chlorine we just did and we found that the valency of chlorine is -1. So aluminium chlorine. This is what you have to do. This is what you have to do while making an chemical formula. Aluminium symbol Al, chlorine Cl, valency +3, chlorine valency -1. As I told you, valency gets exchanged. +1, this -1 will come here and +3 will go here. When we make a chemical formula, the signs are not important to mention. Like plus or minus, there is no need to mention these signs. So Al, when 1 will come here, no need to write. Cl3 will go here. So the chemical formula so formed is AlCl3. This is how the chemical formulas are made. They are more shorter form of representation of any compound, and these are very useful while writing a chemical equation and balancing it. So in our next video, we will go through some more chemical formulas and making how they are made and work on the valency plus electronic configuration. This is one of the most important topic in class 9th and 10th both. Thank you.